Hey everybody, today we're going to do a little hot water extraction. There's a bit of a urine problem from some previous pets in this house. It's a vacant, so I'll show you what we're doing. The carpets look amazing actually, look immaculate. There's no spots or anything, but there's an odor. And we found all along the edges here, the cats have been kind of going to the bathroom. So we are going to do a flushing of this, and then we're going to do some follow-up with a low moisture cleaning because the smell's pretty potent. So all right, let's get to it. Okay, I'm back. So this carpet has been fully extracted. You can see my footprints as I'm kind of walking around on it. So we went over it really thoroughly with 212 degree water, flushed out, pre-sprays, whatnot. Now I still feel like I can get more out, so I wanted to show you what's left behind. This here is one of the bonnets I use for low moisture cleaning. And here's my machine. We're just going to ride around for a little bit so I can show you how much residue and junk gets left behind. So to give you an example of why stuff is left there, have you ever gone to one of those touchless car washes where they use high pressure water to clean your car instead of brushes? And have you ever just like wiped your finger across your car afterwards? Did you notice that your finger is usually black after touching it? Well, that's because the key to getting all the soil out of your carpet is actually not splashing it with a bunch of water and sucking it out, but actually agitation and absorption. Because you ever notice, like when you go to a car wash and, you know, professional one, even with the brushes, right? The guys afterwards will dry your car off with the microfiber towels, and those towels get black all the time just from wiping out the remaining stuff that's in, you know, that's still stuck on your car and everything, because it just needs that extra absorption. So anyway, all the talking aside, I'm just kind of going over some areas here and there. Now let's hit a high traffic area. I've been going around the edges where they're not, you know, heavily soiled. But just want to make sure you guys see what I'm talking about. And this is why I'm starting to lean more towards low moisture and the use of proper natural chemistry to clean your carpets. I feel that this is probably 10 times more effective than hot water extraction. And as you guys know, I've been in the business for 20 years, going on 21. And I've done just about every type of method you can think of. In my free time, I like to study chemistry. But anywho, enough talking. Let's see what's underneath here. I didn't do too much, just a small portion. There you go. This is just from a small portion. This is what it was before. So just wanted to let you know, steam cleaning isn't cutting it. This is how you get all the soil out of your carpets. Alright everybody, well, have a good one. Thanks for checking out my video. Take care.